So today we'll be connecting an Aeotec Z-Wave Smart Switch 6 with a Samsung SmartThings hub. When you buy an Aeotec Z-Wave Smart Switch 6, the box will contain the following items: the Aeotec Z-Wave Smart Switch 6 and a product manual. The Aeotec Z-Wave Smart Switch 6 receives its power by plugging it into a power socket. We open our SmartThings app on our mobile device. Under the section Things, we tap on Add a Thing. The Samsung SmartThings Hub's LED will blink green, indicating that it is in pair mode. We proceed by plugging in our Aeotec Z-Wave Smart Switch 6 in a power socket. And we proceed by pressing on the Action button on the Aeotec Z-Wave Smart Switch 6. The SmartThings app will indicate that it has found the Aeotec Z-Wave Smart Switch 6. We tap on Rename Device. And we rename the device name to Switch. We tap on Save. The SmartThings app will indicate that it has successfully paired the Aeotec Z-Wave Smart Switch 6. We tap on OK. We have hereby successfully paired an Aeotec Z-Wave Smart Switch 6 with a Samsung SmartThings hub.